Hello ladies and gentlemen, well I hope there's someone out there. Just got back from Holland, hence the orange hair, okay, because I tend to change hair according to what country I go to. Right, now today I'm going to show you how to make a little card, alright. Now some of you might know what this is. It's called sequin waste. Why is it called sequin waste? Because they actually punch the sequins out of this stuff and it's just the waste, it's the leftover. You have a card that when it's finished will look like that. Now that obviously can be for Valentine's Day. You can do them for Easter. When that one is finished, I'm going to click my fingers, that will be done with gold ribbon and silver ribbon and green ribbon, and I think it will look stunning. These are going down, but if you look at this one, the sequin waist, I've actually turned it so it goes across, and I think it looks like a little nice little Christmas bauble.